So in this video, I will solve another Robot ICT community challenge. So this time it will be the small quiz maker. Okay, the goal is create a quiz bot that will take any number of sentences from input file and ask for the right question. So this is example. And here Roman marked that the first option is always correct. So for this example is would be Netherlands and so on. Okay, and then ask 10 questions and then choose calculate the result, success or not. Also shuffle the options. So I think Roman mean this one, but first we will add additional goals. So first shuffle the questions, second shuffle the answers, and then we will encrypt the file, and also we will add some sort of, I don't know, mark or special symbol for the bot, so the correct answer may be placed in any of this correct answer position will be not only first one. So here is the input. I've already downloaded it. So this is this file. Okay, let's use this. So as you can see, simple text file with questions. So first of all, let's install needed package for this task. And additional goal, I will use default encryption. Oh, sorry. Ripped, I think, something like this. Okay, just a second. Okay, so it will be crypto. Yeah, here's cryptography activities. So let's install them. And first of all, let's encrypt the file. Okay. So sequence quiz maker main, and here we will place trackage. So it will be quiz maker. Next, decryption and another sequence. Okay, it will be only one time for this project, but it's possibly to add additional features like encrypt on the fly with the new files. So prepare file. Okay. So let's create. We'll use simple GUID. Okay. GUID. Yeah. GUID. Then let's update this value. Type to GUID. Check. I think system GUID will be enough. Yeah. Next, let's encrypt decrypt file. Sorry, encrypt. Okay. Encrypt. Okay, encrypt file. I've already placed file here. So copy this path, input file path on this, but let's update it a little bit, like this. So the bot will search in input folder. Next, we need to provide output file path. So it will be, let's create extension and encrypt it. Okay, next, encryption key. This is why I've created this value. So it's, for example, I will print it and then wait, next, wait to string. Yeah. And then I will use this value as the key to encrypt this file. Okay. Encrypt file. Questions. Great. For this example, I will use just one GUID and I will save it then into the arguments. So let's, oh, sorry, the bot will fail. I forgot the extension, the exception. Okay, log message, global, title, format, error occurred, exception message. So it will be pretty. Okay, let's try. So here's our GUID, unique ID. Sorry, don't forget to copy it all. But now I will save it into the arguments in str encrypt key. Don't do this, but this is just this is bad practice, but this is just an example. Okay, now we've got this file. Let's try to open it with I don't know, Notepad. Or okay, and we see that, oh, something strange. Okay, now let's update this file. Oh, sorry, we need to now we need to decrypt it. So decrypt file, it will be input encrypted, yes, output same here. Let it be with questions without extension. It will be enough for us. And key will be in str encrypt key. So let's run and check that all okay. So this is our new file without extension. As you can see, all done. Now let's update input file. So let me how better say, shuffle a little bit answers. So for example, we all know this is Netherlands, and to let the bot know which answer the correct, I will add this. This is like apostrophe, or let's add tilde. So okay, next let's okay, I think that would be here. Mercury. Next, I think it's this one. So we Tracy Oldman. Next, I think it was red. Okay. Beatrix Fido. I always work. Okay. Next, Naples, Helsinki, and we place it here. Oh. So as you can see, I've added tilde. So the bot will check no if this word was picked by the user, the bot will know that this word is the correct answer. But the user won't know this. So let's update our encrypted file. Okay, let me recheck once again. On this. I think all correct. Now let's encrypt it and decrypt. Okay, so I will comment this. Wait. Okay. Creation. We don't need this at this moment. Let's encrypt and decrypt. Okay. So let's override this file. Oh, sorry. Okay. And here also. Okay, Mac check JC and fail it. So let's try again. Okay, let's check GUID to string. Oh, there is no GUID, sorry. In str encrypt key. So encrypted, decrypted. So let's recheck fastly. Yeah, this is correct file. Now let's continue. So file preparation. I'll comment it. File preparation part. Now bot encrypts, decrypt the file. Input file. Then it will read it. Read text file. Read input. Now use default name. Why not? Okay. So str questions. Next, we need to remove this decrypted file. Okay. Delete. Okay. Delete. Input text file. Once again. Oh. Let's copy paste here. Yeah. Don't forget sometimes this file may be opened by someone else. Let's use trackage. Trackage delete input text file and exception. Well, because it's not critical, I will just show warning. Format failed to delete the encrypted file and exception. Okay. Okay. This will. Now let's create some variables. Multiple. I will use multiple assign and start from using next value. First of all, let's create list questions, and it will be star questions. It will be star questions split. I think there is new lines, so environment and why? Okay. And environment new line. Let me cut and paste it. Then string split. Oh, hey. Okay, string. Oh, sorry. Without spaces. Remove empty entries and convert this to list. So we will work with list. Okay, variables list of string. In a few minutes I will told and describe why. Okay, next we need to create two counters. One is the question counter and second one will be correct answers counter. Int view counter, this is questions counter, one, and int answers counter. It will be 0 initialized. You could easily create it here without multiple assign, but it's easy to understand without looking inside the variables panel. Init vars, so it will be init vars variables. Okay. Next, we will use for each. Once again for, oh, sorry, I think for each not the best because we need additional index and other stuff. And I think we will remove already answered correctly, correct or not questions from the collection. So let's use the while. Why not? Okay. So to ask questions while there is any question. Okay. Okay. So the exit condition will be list count equals 0. So until the list contains more than 0 elements, it will try to iterate. Okay, now we need to ask random questions. So let's start from assign. And here will be a create index variable. So it will be int and it will be random. Okay, and the random will be, oh, just a second. Oh, new random. Next, from 0 to list questions count -1. -1 because it the count of elements starts from 0. So 0 we already have here. Okay. It will be init idx Next, let's show very interesting input dialog. Okay, it will be input, simple input dialog, and input dialog, go, and get answer. First will be string format. I think it was something like quiz, question, number, something. Okay, and here we'll print int uCounter. Next, input label. To create something like this, I will use regex. Oh, okay. Let's start input label. This one. So first of all, let's replace. So it will be system text regex. Oh, sorry. Replace list questions IDX. So we'll be picking up our index. Then we will replace one of our questions. So the questions is a simple string which added which stored, I don't know how to say, inside braces. Okay, so this will be this. Oh, let me zoom in to show any question, any symbols. Sorry, inside these two elements. And then another interesting part, we will replace it with the underscores. So let's start. Let's create. I think I can do this. New string. It will be underscore character system text. Sorry. Regex matches. Just to know how much these elements we need. List questions IDX, and then once again this how to say, template, search template. Okay, let's check. It will be sorry, 0 value length. So let me describe once again. So the bot will try in this string. The bot will try to replace this text, which is in brackets, with the underscores, which length will be equal to value of this string. Looks very strange, I think. Okay, multiple choice, and once again, let's create something interesting. Okay, let's create str response and multiple choice. So multiple choice option string. Okay. It will be interesting. So let's start from joining possible result. String join semicolon, and now our string system text regex replace. Once again, yeah, replace. Okay, here system text regex. Now let's match our values. Once again, let me go to the, oh, sorry, it will be list questions with the IDX, oh, sorry, IDX. Then our search template. Okay, I think this and this, and let's close this. Oh, sorry. Oh, a lot of braces. Okay, now element 0. Ah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay. String join. Semicolon system text regex matches. Okay. First part. Oh, sorry, not matches. Replace. I need to replace all those elements. Once again, system text regex matches. Now it will be list questions IDX search template. Let's do this. Okay, asterisk question. Like this, and I think question mark. Yeah, this one. Okay. Zero value with and we need also replace our special symbol, I think. Okay, and it was, oh, sorry, yeah, tilt. Okay, with nothing. Okay, oh, a lot of text and those IntelliSenses want to make me cry. Okay, now let's split it by semicolon and convert to array. Next, let's sort it by random. So order by function f. Oh, sorry, no need to add any variable. rnd dot next. Okay, so yeah, I will create this variable. I think okay, and yeah. Now the problem with I think RND. Okay, let's check. Let's create a new random variable. So it will be RND. Sorry, I think it was random. Hey, it was system. Yeah, system random, and the value will be random. Oh, yeah. Now, next we need to check if the answer is correct. So it will be if answer correct, then inc counter. So assign, it will be inc answers counter, int answers counter equal plus 1. Let's create condition. Okay, so we've got str response, trim lower. I know that this is hard-coded values, but let's use this. Equals. Okay, let's create this condition. So equals, it will be, I think, regex matches. Yeah. So system text regular expressions regex matches list questions idx tilde port. Okay, let's play with this value. Hey. So it will pick a value which word which contains this symbol, and then let's replace this symbol with the nothing and make it trim to lower invariant. So if this condition true, then we will increase our counter. Okay, next, we need to remove correct or incorrect answered question. So it will be invoke method. This list questions, remove add, and parameters, as I remember, in int idx. Okay, that's all. Remove question by idx. And next, assign, we will increase question counter. Yeah. So int q counter, int q counter plus 1. By the way, this q counter could be easily used to, if you've got more than 10, or if you want to decrease the amount of asked questions, easily could be used here. So counter increased, and instead of list questions count, use int counter less, I don't know, 5. So the bot will ask only 5 questions. Int q counter. And at the end, let's message box. Show message box. Yeah. Okay. What's wrong? Where is the problem? Hey. Card new random. Sorry. Random. Random. My lucky VM. So ask questions. Okay, next. Let's edit and message box. String format. Sorry, you've answered. Oh, string format. I think your score is, and let's show print the int answer counter. And that's all. So let's run the bot. Okay, as you can see, the Simpsons were blah blah blah, and the bot replaced all of those combination of those the length, summary length of all those answers with a lot of underscores. So I think Tracy Ullman. Sorry, I will make this something like, yeah. Okay, next, Netherlands. Yeah, no, but let's. Yeah, wrong. 17. Let it be this one. Naples. Beatrix Kido. Jeremy Richard. Roman. John Ronald. Yeah, score is 5. So that's all. Oh, let me run the bot a few times. So first, as you can see, Naples, Venezia, Bologna. Question always different, and the answers always in random too. So another rerun, and that's all. So as you can see, once again, different positions and questions. So thanks for watching. Link for source code and challenge in the description. Bye.